The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 234, effective until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Calhoun and Jackson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You are listening to the National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 236, effective until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Calhoun, Franklin, Gadsden, Jackson, Jefferson, Leon, Liberty, Madison, Taylor, and Wakulla, and the following: Apalachee Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ochlockonee River, and coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wakulla County in Big Bend, Florida, East Central Liberty County in Big Bend, Florida, Southwestern Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Until 11:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Crawfordville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodville, St. Mark's, Crawfordville, Wakulla, South Choppy, Newport, Jewel Fire Tower, Shadaville, Hell's Half Acre, Wakulla Springs, Panacea, Poplar Camp, Smith Creek, Medard, Buckhorn, Bethel, Live Oak Island, Hyde Park, Aron, and Hilliardville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Big Bend, Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Jefferson, Liberty, and Wakulla. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Apalachee Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ochlockonee River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles west of St. Mark's, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Big Bend, Florida, and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jackson County in Florida, northwestern Gulf County in Florida, Bay County in Florida, western Calhoun County in Florida, southeastern Walton County in Florida, southern Holmes County in Florida, Washington County in Florida, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Defuniak Springs to 11 miles southeast of Santa Rosa Beach, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable train damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Panama City, Lynn Haven, Panama City Beach, Callaway, Vernon, Defuniak Springs, Bonifay, Chipley, Springfield, Hill Park, Eglin Air Force Base, Bradford, Live Oak, Parker, Freeport, Ponce de Leon, Alfred, Caryville, Wausau, and Westville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Calhoun and Jackson. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Gulf County in Florida, southeastern Bay County in Florida, west central Franklin County in Big Bend, Florida, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 12:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Callaway, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roads. Sighting. Entries. Locations impacted include Panama City, Callaway, Port St. Joe, Springfield, Mexico Beach, Hill Park, Tyndall Air Force Base, Parker, Wewanachka, Hunneville, Allenton, Cedar Grove, 11 Mile, Beacon Beach, Odina, Cape San Blas, Indian Pass, Overstreet, Milltown, and Davis Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Big Bend and the Panhandle of Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Franklin, Florida. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 25 nautical miles south of Sea Tower to 40 nautical miles south of Empire Micah Wreck, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats. Damage vessels, increase suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.